Let's talk about how you get customers online, because it's time we stopped treating SEO like some kind of mysterious expense and started treating it like a real, powerful business asset. So, I've got to start with a really direct question for you. If you switched off all your ads tomorrow, would customers still be able to find you? Seriously, ask yourself that. Because if the answer is no, you don't actually have a traffic system. What you have is a dependency. But here's the thing, SEO isn't just about rankings on a page. It's about a whole new way of thinking. It's about the difference between just renting people's attention and actually owning the demand for what you do. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what to fix right now to start getting that free, consistent traffic by building a true asset for your business. So what is SEO really? Well, let's keep it simple. It's the process of showing up at the exact moment someone is already looking for what you sell. I'm talking about those super high-intent searches. You know, things like best dermatologist in Dubai, or mortgage consultant near me, or even orthopedic surgeon for knee pain. These aren't just random people browsing. They've got a problem and they're looking for a solution now. And here's the bottom line. If you are not visible right here in these searches, you are completely invisible in the buying moment. It's that simple. So how do you get visible? Well, a lot of people make this way too complicated. It really just boils down to three things that actually matter. I like to call them the 3 pillars of ownership. Let's kick things off with pillar number 1, and this is the foundation for everything else. It's all about creating what I call intent pages. Look, every single service you offer needs its own dedicated page. I'm serious. Not one generic services page. You need one page for each service. So instead of just a page that says, we offer loans, you need a super specific page for commercial property mortgage in Dubai. And why is this so critical? You've got to remember this one thing. Google ranks pages, not businesses. That's why being specific is how you win. Okay, building right on top of that foundation is our second pillar, authority content. This is how you start building trust with people before they even think about picking up the phone. You need to answer the real questions your buyers are typing into Google. Stuff like, how much salary is needed for a mortgage in UAE? Or, is PRP treatment safe? When you answer what people are actually searching for, you earn their trust and prove you know your stuff. And that leads us perfectly to our third and final pillar, trust signals. This is all about proving you're the real deal. Google wants proof that you're a real, legitimate business. So you've got to add a founder bio, use real photos of your team, show off case studies, get reviews. If your site just looks generic and faceless, Google's sophisticated algorithms just aren't going to rank it. So if the framework is pretty straightforward, where do most business owners go wrong? Let's dive into the most common mistake I see. To be honest, they want instant rankings without putting in the work. They don't build any real depth. They just copy what their competitors are doing, or they publish a bunch of random blog posts with absolutely no strategy. But here's the key takeaway, and I really want this to sink in. SEO is not about writing 100 random blogs. It's about writing the right 20 pages that perfectly match what your customer is searching for. It's all about quality over quantity. Okay, so what can you do about this right now? I'm going to give you a super simple action plan. You can start on the minute this explainer is over. Okay, step 1. List your top 5 services, the ones that make you the most money. Step 2, check if each of those services has its own dedicated page. Step 3, go to Google right now and search for your service, plus your city, and study the top 3 competitors, see what they're doing. And finally, step 4, your only job is to make your page 2 times clearer and 2 times more helpful than theirs. That's it. Just doing that alone, I promise you, is going to completely change your trajectory. It puts you way ahead of most of your competition. Because remember that core idea we started with. Ads rent attention. SEO owns it. You want to be in the business of building assets, not just paying for expenses. That is the fundamental mindset shift that will change everything for you online. In this series, I'm going to break down each step of this so you can build a predictable lead engine for your business. So if this was helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Signing out.